welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I'm going to be sharing with you guys my IPSY Glam Bag Plus for, what are we in, March? I had stopped getting it, and then I saw how good last month's was, and I decided to re-sign up, and now I'm kind of disappointed again because it's not as good as last month's. Last month I saw that some people got the ABH foundation, which would have been so great for my skin, and I obviously missed that. So I just thought I would re-sign up and see if there's things that I actually, you know, would want and all of that. I did see what I was getting this month. I did get to pick 3 of the items. They didn't have great choices. So yeah, let me just go ahead and show you what I got. I think I got more skincare than anything. I don't even know if I got makeup items, but this is the bag that it came in. It's okay. I probably won't keep this. I will probably pass it on, like when I gift somebody or something. It's all right. I don't really care for it. Okay. It does say here that it's Stronger Together, Equality for March. And then it just has some information on different colors and what they resemble and things like that. I'm going to quickly pull up my IPSY and get the prices that they are saying each products are worth. The first thing that I got is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow Highlighter in Perla. That is what the packaging looks like. It says here that this is a weightless gel-like highlighter infused with light-reflecting white gold pigments. Can be used on your face and body to give most radiant, dewy glow. And it's a full size, and it retails for $25. I'm probably not going to keep this because I really don't use these type of products. I don't care for these kind of products. I don't find myself reaching for them. I do have some others, and I don't even pull them because they're just one of those things that's kind of hard to use. I have this one as well, this liquid highlighter that's from Tarte, which is kind of similar, so I don't need another one of those, so I probably won't be keeping that. I will put it in a giveaway or pass it on to a friend or family member. Okay, the next item, half-caked Total Tubular Mascara, looks like. In the Heights is a color. That is what the packaging looks like. Here it says, this tubing mascara coats each and every lash for a voluminous false-like effect without clumping or smearing, and it's easy to remove. Just moisten your fingertips with water and simply smooth the tubes away from your lashes until a product has been removed. It retails for $14. Let's see what that looks like. Cute packaging. It's purple. I always like trying new mascaras. It does have a small wand. It has a weird scent to it, but the wand is small, looks like that. So that's going to be nice. So again, that retails for $14. I will probably keep that. Next item that I received is One Hit. It's from the brand Item Beauty. It's a one-hit triple action setting mist. It's a full size, retails for $18. It says prime, set, and refresh your makeup whenever, wherever. With this triple action face mist, it's infused with aloe and tiger grass extracts to help calm and soothe stressed out skin, lavender and rose water to help tone and brighten, and sodium hydronate to lock in hydration. Okay, and this is what it looks like. The packaging is cute. It's a good size. So definitely gonna be keeping this for sure. I love getting mist and things like that. I go through them fairly quickly because I use them as part of my skincare routine. Okay, we have 2 more products. The next products are the MOTD Cosmetics in a blush blending eye brush set. They're cute. These retail for $58. Okay, that's just a little bit much, I think. It says here, $58, 5-piece makeup brush. I would never pay for that, but okay. It says, these pro quality brush set has got you covered. Not only are they pearly pink and gorgeous brushes, but they're practical. Each handle is clearly labeled so you know exactly what to do and how to use it. So, I guess the brand is called Makeup of the Day Cosmetics. So this, they feel soft. They have like some messed up cuts, like, you know, when they go to trim the brushes, they're not even. There's some that are longer than others, but they are soft. They are pretty. I always love having brushes. So so I'm glad I got them in this because I would never pay the price that they're wanting. The first one is a Smoky Detailer, a tapered contour brush, come through contour, a standout sweep, and a Miss Shady Lady. That is what they look like right there. They are okay. Again, glad to get them in a thing. I would not pay that for these. I don't know anyone that would, unless you're new to makeup and you're not familiar with brushes or what brushes should cost, then you probably would spend that. But if you are familiar, you know you can get a ton of brushes for so inexpensive. Shop Miss A, you can get 5 brushes for $5 for $1, and they're great quality. So yeah, I think that's a little ridiculous. Again, those retailed for $58. And then the last item I did pick, I believe. So I picked, I believe I picked this item. Yeah, they picked these two for me, the glow and the mascara. I picked the spray, the brushes, because they didn't have great choices. Like I said, Unkind. It's the Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer with Squalene and Rose Hip. It is a 1.7 fluid ounce. It says it's a full size. This is a very small full size. It retails for $38. Made with repairing rosehip oil, anti-inflammatory chamomile, moisturizing squalene. This night cream, it works its magic while you snooze, so you can wake up to healthier, more youthful skin. So there is a seal on it. I'm currently using one, but I will incorporate this once I'm done with that one. Again, that one retailed for $38. So let me do my total and I will tell you guys what exactly my box retailed for. Box this month retailed at a total of $253 even. That is definitely worth what I paid. The box retails for, I always forget to tell you guys at the beginning, so I apologize. The box does retail for $25 a month, and with tax it's about $27 and some change. So I would say I definitely got my money's worth. I could never have too many facial sprays, so this was $18, and then this nighttime cream was $38. So those are the two things I'm most excited about, and they definitely were the price, more than the price of my box, this alone. So I'm glad to have those. I always like getting brushes, but they're okay. And then the mascara, do I need any more? No, but you know, it's nice to try new ones. Again, the Anastasia I will be passing. So I'll probably keep 4 of the items. I may even pass these and gift them to somebody. I don't know that I need them. I have so many brushes in my collection and I'm just tired of washing them. So I may pass this as well. I did want to go ahead and share that with you guys. Let me know if you got these items. Let me know what you think of my bag. What do you think it was good? Do you think you would have enjoyed it? Let me know that down below. I'd love to hear your feedback. But if you guys did enjoy this unboxing, I would love for you to go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I would love for you to come along with me on my YouTube journey, and if not, no worries. Thank you for hanging out with me today. It's so appreciated. So I hope that you guys have a very blessed day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.